In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum filtered data in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with large data sets, you know how crucial filtering data can be to focus on specific information without being overwhelmed by everything else. However, summing filtered data can sometimes be tricky, but with a simple technique, you can do it accurately and efficiently. Let's get started by opening up a Google Sheet. You can either use an existing sheet with data, or create a new one where you input some test data to follow along. Once your sheet is open, navigate to cell B1. This is where we'll input our formula to handle the summing of filtered data. In cell B1, you'll want to type the formula x subtotal 9 B5 B18. The subtotal function is incredibly useful because it allows you to sum only the visible rows in your spreadsheet. The 9 in the function indicates that we are summing the data. The range B5 to B18 is where your data resides that you need to sum, so ensure these cell references match the data range you have. Once you've entered the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. You'll see that Google Sheets calculates the total for the visible rows in your specified range. However, to make the most of this function, we'll filter the data so you can see how it operates under different conditions. Next, to apply a filter, highlight the cells A4 to C4. These are your header cells and should cover the range of data columns you'll be working with. With the headers selected, click on the Data menu and from the drop-down select Create a Filter. This action will add filter options to your header cells indicated by small funnel icons. Now, click on cell C4, the one with the filter funnel. You'll click on the funnel icon and choose Clear to deselect everything initially. This step is crucial because it allows us to apply custom filters to our dataset. Let's say we want to sum data only for a specific region, like East. Go ahead and find the name East from the options and click on it to select it. Once selected, simply click OK. This action filters your data to show only rows corresponding to the East region. Finally, you'll see your subtotal formula in B1 update automatically, reflecting the sum of the now filtered rows. Remember, any change you make to the data visibility will be captured immediately by the subtotal function, keeping your totals correct and timely. That's all there is to it. You've successfully summed filtered data in Google Sheets, allowing you to leverage filters and totals in a dynamic and meaningful way. Whether working with sales figures, inventories, or any other dataset, this method ensures that your analyses remain precise and focused. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.